In this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how to set up a redirect in GetResponse after signup, so you can keep your leads engaged and drive them to your offer or thank you page immediately after they opt in. Stick around, because by the end, I'll also reveal some great alternatives for achieving this goal even more effectively. You won't want to miss this if you're looking to boost your email marketing strategy. First, once you're logged into your GetResponse account, navigate to the Form section. You'll need to create a new signup form or modify an existing one. It's a simple process, but essential for building that seamless experience for your subscribers. Next, click on Create Form and select the type of form you want to use, either a pop-up, a floating bar, or an embedded form, depending on what suits your needs. After selecting the format, you'll be taken to the form editor where you can design the layout and fields. Once your form is set up, it's time to handle the redirect after submission. Go to the Thank You page section in the form settings. Here's where you can customize what happens when someone submits their information. Instead of showing the default thank you message, you'll want to select the option to redirect them to another page. The fourth thing to do is enter the URL of the page you want them to be redirected to. This could be a special offer, a thank you page, or anything you want to drive them to after they sign up. Make sure the URL is correct, as a typo could send your leads to the wrong place. Now, let's talk about the timing. You can decide whether you want the redirect to happen immediately after submission, or if you want to add a delay. If you're running a promotion and want to add a little more context before sending them off to the next page, consider setting a short delay. This will help ensure your message is delivered. The next thing to remember is tracking. GetResponse allows you to add tracking codes or UTM parameters to the redirect URL. This is key for tracking where your traffic is coming from and whether the redirection is helping you achieve your goals. Now that the redirect is set up, test it out to make sure everything flows smoothly. Go ahead and submit your form yourself to check that you're being redirected to the right place. It's always worth double-checking your settings to avoid any surprises. Finally, while GetResponse offers solid options for setting up redirects after sign-up, it's not always the best tool for the job. If your goal is to have more control over your post-sign-up flow or integrate with advanced tools, you might want to check out alternatives like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign, which also offer strong automation features with more customization options. Before you go, though, here's a treat. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial for GetResponse, plus some amazing benefits you won't find elsewhere. And while GetResponse is a good option, be sure to check out those alternatives I just mentioned. They're fantastic for reaching the specific goals of automating signups and engagement with greater precision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore those exclusive benefits we've linked below.